Hey, peace family, what's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. And if you're new to this channel, I do talk about business credit, and more importantly right now in this time of need is making money online. So I just want to share an app with you. It's called Steady. If you're not familiar with it, it has a lot of great opportunities from some people that may be actually looking at ways to make money online or ways to do quick hustles. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned and please sure to share, like, and subscribe. Okay, so in this time of need, we all know and we all see that, some of us may have, some of you all, excuse me, may have kids, children, may have families, and may actually get put to the point where you need to be at home and you need to make money, or maybe you got laid off from your job, or maybe it's something going on that maybe change your perspective, because even though they say it's maybe 2 weeks, it's temporary, it puts you in the mindset of you need to be creating for yourself and you need to be doing that on a day-to-day basis, man. One of the things I say is, it's not anybody's responsibility to actually, provide you shelter, to educate you and your family, or to have food for you. Like it's not HEB's or Walmart's or Kroger's or Albertsons or Safeway or any of the places that you shop at, Publix, whatever. It's none of those institutions' responsibility to provide food for you. It's the responsibility of yourself. So, seeds are very inexpensive, but it takes time to nurture and grow them. Anyway, as I began to go on these tangents, let's just talk about Steady, and we'll talk about the other stuff some other time. All right. So let's jump into this Steady app right here. So you can actually come in here and go into work, and then they'll have, look at this, fam. They even got, look at, you see the what they got listed as the job right there, the virus job. That's kind of a funny term to put in there. Okay, so but I like to come over here to income boosters, right? So Varo, right? It says when you spend $25 with your Varo Visa debit card, get $75 from Steady. So Varo is already something that you get money back for signing up for anyway. When you spend $25 with Varo Visa debit card, get $75 from Steady. Okay, when you set a goal and connect your bank to a new capital account, which is another online bank, it looks like it actually you actually get $15 from doing that. Okay, if you think about doing Postmates, because a lot of people are probably staying in the house and they're probably ordering a lot of food, you can actually get $20 when you make your first delivery doing that. Okay. So when you start a banking account with Chime is a good digital bank card to have. You get $50 from Steady. Must be a new first-time Chime account holder to qualify. All right. So it gives you all the set up direct deposit and get paid up to 2 days early. Blah blah blah. Your offer. Okay, here it goes. For a limited time, you can get a $50 Visa prepaid card from Steady when you set up a direct deposit with Chime. Applying for an account is free and takes less than 2 minutes. No credit check performed. Okay. And there are different ways that you can actually set up to get a direct deposit to your account. With some of these ways, we might talk about that in another video if you don't have a job. But even if you're doing a DoorDash or you're doing a Uber Eats or you're doing something like that, you could do that. So you can get out here. Really, you can go ahead and go to Uber Eats or Dash or something like that, DoorDash, and you can make $200 and then have that actual directed to your Chime account, and boom, now you got $50 free dollars. So build credit history and save money. For those people out there who are interested in fixing their personal credit, Self is a very good platform to actually to help you with a credit builder. So you might want to just download this. He says starting at $25 per month, but let's see how you get the $15. For a limited time, you can get a $15 Visa prepaid card from Steady when you open up a Self Credit Builder account. So that may be something that you're interested in. $30 from DoorDash, okay? Sign up for Robinhood and get $10 to invest. So, I promote Robinhood as well. And I say, hey, you get a free stock, I get a free stock, but this may be more incentive to you. Maybe you just want to get $10 to invest rather than the actual free stock that you get if you go through somebody like me or something like that. Sign up for Stash and get $10 to invest. So Stash is something else. What is Stash? Earn a $10 bonus when you open up a Stash Invest account and make your first deposit. Stash lets you purchase fractional shares, so it's another company that you can actually get stocks and stuff in. So it's a lot of different things. Earn $50 by hosting with Airbnb. So let's read that. Must be a new first-time Airbnb host quality Airbnb connects hosts offering their spaces with renters looking for short-term or long-term stays. Hosts receive free host protection insurance and 24/7 support. So maybe you're somebody who actually has a space or something like that you want to actually be a host for Airbnb. You get extra money doing that. See another account when you set up another online account when you set up direct deposit. As you can see, invest with Acorns, get $5. Toro, that's the service where you actually rent your car, you can get $5. So those are the boosters. So I would suggest, if you're interested in doing any of those things, just download Steady. I'm not even sure if I have a referral link for you or not, but if not, I'll just put the regular link down there for you all to click through. And it'd be a way, like, get $75. That's $75. That's pretty lit. 75. Then you got the 20 here. You got 50 and 30. So it's a way you can actually make money online doing this stuff. And then some of these apps, after you do them, you can actually promote them and make money doing that too, as proof. So hope that's helped somebody. I love y'all. I'm coming back to y'all again soon with another app that you can use to make money online. Peace.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.